Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shanicia and today I'm going to be doing a natural brown makeup tutorial for you guys with a half cut crease. Now you guys know the first thing I do is my brow, so I'm just going to carve that out for you guys really quick. And I've actually done a brow tutorial already, so I'm gonna link that in the description below, along with all the products I use. Everything will be in the description below, you guys, so you can check that out. Alright, so I'm going in my Morphe palette and I'm grabbing that brown to put into the crease, and I'm just putting a transition color, but I want to start off with a lighter brown first, and then I'm going to be building that up. So I'm going to be blending this brown out into the crease. Now I'm going into my Warrior 2 palette. I'm taking that brown in the middle. I always forget the name of that brown, but I use it so much, you guys. So I'm taking the one in the middle. I'm going to be using my tape for this because I really want a sharp outer edge. I'm just blending the brown out a bit more. Then I'm going into that lighter brown and I'm going to put that at the outer corner of the lid, and then I'm going to be blending that out. I don't normally work with brown colors so much, but I just figured today I didn't want it to do anything over the top. I wanted it a little bit simple, yet not so simple. So I totally went for this. Now I'm going to be cutting the crease, but I'm doing a half cut crease. I don't want a full cut crease. And also, let me add, this was so early in the morning and this video is a bit overdue. I apologize. There is so much going on, so I'm sorry this video is overdue. And I just figured let me get it out before you guys start cursing me out about this, especially if you're on my Instagram and you already saw me put this picture up. So I'm going in with, it's kind of a white color from the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm packing that onto the cut crease. But I feel like that didn't give me the color that I was looking for. So I'm going into my Brazil palette and I'm taking the white, and then I'm going to go over that to get a more intense color. And if you're still here in the video, which I know you are, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, and also give me a big thumbs up for this one. I had so much fun doing it for you guys, so don't forget to like, comment, let me know in the comment below what you guys think so far, or at the end, that's fine too. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more contents like this. So I'm taking that brown and I'm blending that out to the outer corner. I'm taking it up a little bit to the cut crease, and all I'm doing is blending the color together. I'm going in with my liquid eyeliner. This one is from Wet n Wild. Alright, so I'm going in with the darker brown that I used initially, and I'm just smoking that out on the bottom lash line. I went in with my primer. This one is Master Prime by Maybelline. And now I'm adding some foundation. I'm using the Huda Beauty and the L'Oreal foundation, mixing those two together and then blending it out. Now I'm going in with my concealer. This is the Yellow Correct, I think Yellow Corrector, and this one is by LA Girl. I'm just putting that under the eye to brighten it up and on my nose to contour a bit. Now I'm putting on my magnetic lashes. I put the glue on to dry. I also did a video on these magnetic lashes. I'll also link that in the description below. If you have not seen it yet, at the end of this video, go check it out. Now I'm going in with my setting powder to set under the eye. This setting powder is by Sacha Buttercup. I'm bringing that down the bridge of my nose as well. Now I'm going into my pressed powder. This one is by L'Oreal True Match in the shade W5.5, and I'm just using this to set the foundation in place. So I stamp it all over my face and then I do a slight swiping motion sometimes. Now I'm going to be contouring with the Warrior 2 palette, and I'm taking that brown in the middle just to go down the side of my cheeks and my forehead. I'm also going to be contouring my nose with that, and then I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup to set it as well. I'm going in with some highlighter on my cheek and a little bit on my nose and my forehead. You guys know that I love highlighter, so I'm taking a little bit. I don't want to be like too shiny because that's not the occasion for it. So yeah, I love a shiny nose, you guys. Now I am using my Italia pencil, and this is to outline my lips. So it's a lip liner. This is in the color Natural. I really do love these lip liners. They are so smooth to put on. They glide on so easily. I really love them. Now I'm going in with the it's kind of like a nude liner. I'll put the name of it on the screen for you guys. I really do like using this one with the natural. They blend pretty nicely. Now I'm going in with the Quest lipstick. And this is the final look, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And don't forget, if you love videos or contents like this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're not already following me on Instagram, hop on over to my Instagram, follow me there so we can connect. Until next time, bye guys.